Welcome back guys. In this video I will show you the step-by-step how you can change your laptop keyboard for a DELL Inspiron 5000 series. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button if you want to receive my new videos notifications. So let's get started with unboxing. I bought this keyboard in Amazon for less than 30 bucks. If you are interested, I leave the link in the description down below. Currently, it's quite easy to change this keyboard. You only need an object that can facilitate you to remove the old keyboard by the edges and then place the new one. But you must be careful not to force the old keyboard so as not to damage the connection. Next, you will see the process of disassembling and assembling the keyboard. So enjoy this video. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.